So our point number 4 is change as a constant. Listen, family, if you get into this thing that I love, that I hope that you fall in love with, called project management, change will continue to happen. Now, a lot of people get it twisted, get it misconstrued that, oh, if I'm running a predictive project, basically a waterfall, or even a SDLC, a software development life cycle type project, oh, there's not a lot of change because you got step by, but honestly, there is. What happens if you get ready to implement the thing and then you find out, ooh, the code is bad. So now we got to go back to, we got to change the code. But with us changing the code, we got to go through a documentation process in which allow us to ensure that we don't make that mistake again. Plus, we got to go through the change board because now our timelines are affected. So we may need to rebase the project schedule, and we may even need to rebase. I mean, we may even look at the scope as well. So there's so many moving pieces, and with that's the case, change is going to happen. And if you don't like change, if you don't like being uncomfortable, project management it may not be the role for you.